Hello food lovers, want a delicious pasta dish that's ready in a flash? Look no further. This spicy pesto pasta is bursting with flavor and only takes 10 minutes to make. It's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a satisfying lunch. This recipe uses store-bought pesto for ultimate convenience. We'll then spice things up with a kick and add some crunch for a wonderful texture contrast. Are you ready? Let's get cooking! Here's what you'll need to make this speedy pasta dish. Your favorite pasta, I love using penne or fusilli, a jar of your favorite pesto, basil pesto works wonders, a handful of grated Parmesan cheese, a pinch of chili flakes, or more if you like it hot, and a handful of crunchy almonds, roughly chopped, the star of the show. Optional ingredients, cherry tomatoes, halved, and fresh basil leaves. Cook the pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add your pasta and cook according to the package directions. Toast the almonds. While the pasta is cooking, heat a small pan over medium heat. Add the chopped almonds and toast for a few minutes, stirring often, until they are fragrant and lightly golden. Keep a close eye on them, they burn quickly. Combine the flavors. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it well, and return it to the pot. Add the pesto, Parmesan cheese, chili flakes, and half of the toasted almonds. Stir well to combine. Serve and enjoy. Serve the pasta immediately, topped with the remaining toasted almonds and a sprinkle of fresh Parmesan cheese if you like. For an extra burst of freshness, toss in some halved cherry tomatoes with the pasta. You can also add a few torn fresh basil leaves just before serving. This 10-minute spicy pesto pasta is a true flavor explosion. The creamy pesto, spicy kick, and crunchy almonds create a symphony of textures and tastes that will have you going back for seconds. Enjoy!